Good medical morning, this is Watson. I've got an interesting subject today that by the end of the video will probably have you wondering why you haven't heard of this before. Unless you have. I'm talking about black seed oil. The health properties of this stuff have been known for thousands of years. In fact, King Tut was buried with a bottle of it. Ancient Arabic people said it cured all diseases except death. That's convenient. For this video, we're going to stick to the more heavily studied areas of its benefits though. But go ahead and look around after the video. Between journal articles, testimonials, and studies, you'll find a lot of other benefits too. The sample we got to try is from Naked Nutrient, and it's 100% extra virgin, cold pressed, unfiltered, unrefined, organic black seed oil. Nice. Now, black seed is just a general term for black cumin, which is also known by other names. There have been hundreds of studies done over the years about black seed oil, so here's just a list of general benefits you may expect from black seed oil. Lowered blood cholesterol levels, healthy blood pressure levels, stable blood sugar levels, it may help with weight loss, aid in digestion, and improve hair and skin health. It has a balanced ratio of omegas 3, 6, and 9, has antifungal and antibacterial properties, and is a great antioxidant. So this particular bottle has about 48 servings. If you take it twice a day as recommended, that's about a month's supply, give or take. And this brand is about as natural as you can get. Cold pressed, organic, GMP certified. It's even kosher. The hardest thing to describe about this product is the taste. It's smooth, tastes like an oil, but with a slight peppery aftertaste. A lot of people initially think it tastes unusual, but then they also like it at the same time. It's hard to describe. I like it. Well, there you go, organic black seed oil. Let me know in the comments if you've heard of this before or tried it. And if you have, describe its taste for us. And if you want to try some, we'll leave an Amazon link below. This seems to be a hot new thing as far as Western medicine goes, but it's been around for thousands of years. So check it out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We have new medical content all the time. Adios.